Welcome to Xciting Machines. Get ready to witness the most satisfying factory production processes and heavy-duty factory machines in action. From high-speed automation to powerful industrial giants shaping the world, these machines work with precision and efficiency like never before. Whether it's metal forging, food processing, or assembly lines operating flawlessly, this video will leave you in awe. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the mesmerizing world of manufacturing at its finest. Number 1. Shovel manufacturing. Shovel manufacturing is a detailed process that involves multiple stages to ensure durability, efficiency, and ergonomic design. The process begins with selecting high-quality materials, typically hardened steel for the blade and either wood, fiberglass, or metal for the handle. The steel is cut into the desired blade shape, heated, and pressed to form a strong and effective digging surface. Some manufacturers reinforce the blade with additional treatments, such as heat tempering or coating it with anti-rust materials to enhance durability. Once the blade is prepared, it is securely attached to the handle. Wooden handles are often crafted from hardwoods like ash or hickory due to their strength and flexibility, while fiberglass and metal handles offer durability and resistance to environmental factors. The attachment process typically involves riveting, welding, or using industrial adhesives to ensure the shovel withstands heavy use. After assembly, the shovels undergo quality control inspections, where they are tested for strength, balance, and durability. Some models receive additional features such as ergonomic grips, reinforced edges, or telescoping handles for versatility. Finally, the finished products are packaged and distributed to retailers or directly to customers. Shovel manufacturing continues to evolve with modern technologies, improving efficiency and ensuring that high-quality tools are available for gardening, construction, and industrial use. Number 2. Nail alignment. Nail alignment is a crucial aspect of nail production, especially in industries that rely on precision fasteners for construction, carpentry, and manufacturing. The process ensures that nails are manufactured with uniform shape, length, and point accuracy to provide optimal performance when driven into various materials. It begins with high-quality steel wire, which is cut into precise lengths before undergoing shaping and heat treatment. During production, nails are aligned using specialized machines that ensure each nail maintains a consistent angle, straightness, and head positioning. This alignment is critical for smooth insertion, reducing bending or misfiring in automated nail guns. The heads of the nails are formed through high-pressure stamping, ensuring a flat or rounded surface for hammering. The tips are sharpened to allow for easy penetration into wood, metal, or concrete, depending on the intended use. Quality control plays a significant role in nail alignment, as poorly aligned nails can cause inefficiencies, damage materials, or lead to structural weaknesses in construction. Advanced sorting machines and laser-guided inspections are often used to detect irregularities, ensuring only perfectly aligned nails reach the market. With continuous innovations in nail manufacturing, alignment techniques are improving, providing stronger, more reliable nails for industrial, commercial, and DIY applications. Number 3. Vinyl record production. Vinyl record production is a meticulous process that combines both art and science to create high-quality audio recordings. It begins with the mastering stage, where the original sound recording is optimized for vinyl. Audio engineers adjust frequencies and dynamics to ensure the best sound quality, as vinyl has unique playback characteristics compared to digital formats. Once mastered, the audio is transferred onto a lacquered disc using a lathe cutting machine, which etches grooves into the surface, representing the sound waves. The lacquer disc is then sent to a plating facility, where it undergoes electroplating to create a metal stamper. This process involves coating the lacquer with silver and immersing it in a nickel bath, forming a durable negative mold. Once hardened, the stamper is separated and used to press vinyl copies. The raw vinyl material, typically PVC pellets, is heated and formed into a soft puck, which is then placed between two stampers in a hydraulic press. The press applies immense pressure and heat, molding the grooves into the vinyl while embedding the record label in the center. After pressing, the records are trimmed, cooled, and inspected for defects. They are then placed into protective sleeves and packaged for distribution. Despite the rise of digital music, vinyl records continue to be cherished for their warm, authentic sound and collectible appeal. Number 4. Steel cage welding. Steel cage welding is a crucial process in construction and infrastructure projects, providing reinforced support for structures such as bridges, tunnels, foundations, and high-rise buildings. The process involves assembling and welding steel reinforcement bars, rebar, into a cage-like framework, which serves as a skeleton for concrete reinforcement. This improves the strength, durability, and load-bearing capacity of structures, preventing cracks and structural failure. The process begins with cutting and bending steel bars to the required dimensions using specialized machines. The rebar is then arranged in a grid or cylindrical formation, depending on the design specifications. Welding or tying methods are used to connect the bars at key points, ensuring the cage maintains its shape and stability. In some cases, resistance spot welding or arc welding techniques are used to create strong, permanent joints. Precision is essential in steel cage welding, as improper alignment or weak welds can compromise the integrity of the entire structure. Automated welding machines are increasingly used for large-scale projects, improving accuracy and efficiency while reducing labor costs. Once completed, the welded steel cages are transported to the construction site, where they are embedded in concrete. The combination of steel and concrete creates a reinforced composite that withstands heavy loads, seismic activity, and harsh environmental conditions, making steel cage welding an indispensable part of modern construction. Number 5. Portable sawmill. A portable sawmill is a highly efficient and versatile machine used for cutting logs into lumber on site, eliminating the need to transport heavy logs to a stationary mill. These sawmills are commonly used by woodworkers, small-scale loggers, and homeowners who need to process timber for construction, furniture making, or firewood. Their mobility allows users to turn raw logs into usable lumber directly in forests, farms, or remote locations. The process begins with securing the log onto the sawmill's track or carriage system. The sawmill features a cutting mechanism, typically a bandsaw or circular saw blade, which moves along the log to make precise cuts. Operators can adjust the blade height and thickness settings to produce different sizes of planks, beams, or boards. Many modern portable sawmills come with automated feed systems, reducing manual labor and improving cutting accuracy. Portable sawmills are available in various sizes and configurations, including manual, electric, and gas-powered models. They are designed for easy transportation, with some models mounted on trailers for quick relocation. In addition to cutting efficiency, these sawmills help reduce wood waste by maximizing the amount of usable lumber from each log. Their growing popularity is driven by the demand for sustainable and locally sourced wood, making them an essential tool for independent lumber processing and small-scale forestry operations. Thanks for watching Xciting Machines. We hope you enjoyed witnessing the most satisfying factory production processes and heavy-duty factory machines in action. If you found this video fascinating, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more incredible machine content. Stay tuned for more mind-blowing automation and industrial marvels. Hit the notification bell so you never miss an upload. See you in the next video. Until then, keep exploring the power of machines.